Teaching season started. Where do you get inspiration from? Especially when we are young educators, there's an insecurity of how to teach, what to say, how do we act on stage, let's say. And how I did it when I started my teaching journey, I went into a class with the same topic from another professor, and I checked how is the style, how is the content delivered at this very university. Just one or two examples. I got a little bit of an impression. Nobody's perfect. Everybody starts small, so did I, and I'm still growing. My take on this was, from the beginning, I try to pick the best parts that I can see in others teaching, and I copy that and use it to my advantage. The secret to engaging teaching is always storytelling. And when we are young educators, we don't have stories because there is not much that we already experienced. Maybe we went to a conference and met some important people, or we have a story from our life as a student, but there is not so much experience that you can share with the students compared to these 60-year-old professors that do teach for 30 years. And it doesn't matter. I give you 4 resources online where I checked out how people teach, and this gave me great inspiration. The first is iBiology, a great platform. Any topic can be found there. The greatest of their fields give lectures, and you can not only see how they teach, but also how they put their topics into a story, and how they start, how they connect the different topics, what stories they tell. Feel free, if you don't have your own story, to tell the students if XYZ was here, they would tell you this and that story, or this is the story how this was discovered, and so on. You can also use snippets from those videos if you want to refer to an expert during your lecture. This is also especially handy in iBiology. So it's a great platform. Check it out. MIT OpenCourseWare, an amazing resource where there's a lot of effort done in recording lectures. Some are old, some are new. No matter how old or how new they are, they come with a whole coursework. So you can also have a look into PDF documents with quizzes and questions to the lectures, and also for exam questions, and you get inspiration there. Third, Nobelprize.org. Check out the Nobel speeches and lectures. This can be great for checking out interviews with Nobel laureates, and they can tell the stories how things were discovered, and this is what you can deliver to the students, if it fits, of course. And then there is a platform more for if you have to teach practical courses. CourseSource is a great platform where you can have a look how other people teach, and it's very elaborate with all the didactic background. You get a lot of materials and information there for your own teaching, and I recommend it to check this out. Nobody is perfect in the beginning. Teaching is just an education as any other education. Look at how others do it. I picked aspects from everyone that I met and composed it to the teaching persona that I am now. And with every little bit of teaching experience, this persona grows and gets more confident. Happy teaching!